so delighted. It's been amazing. The Super Cup has been born today. We've done our 3 heats and everybody's safe and happy, and we've had a great time.
Personally for you, how was the competition for you?
You know, this has been my very, very first rally. I'm so happy. I'm lying right behind all of those professional girls.
Do you class your day as a success in terms of you rallying today?
Absolutely, absolutely. We're very, very happy. Lillian, who's my navigator, and I, we were very, very happy with the times that we did today.
Competitively, the first 3 stages, how would you summarize them?
They were great, actually. They were really, really fun. There's a little flyover that we really wanted to try and fly in the air, and we succeeded every time. So, small baby steps. So this is the beginning. Let me cool down first. My adrenaline was still high, but it was fantastic. It was fun. I can say everything has gone on well, apart from small hitches. That is normal. And with racing cars, the best part is when something bad happens, not really bad, but when you go out of the track. So I can say it has been well since morning. In the morning we were the first ones to start, and it was still drizzling. The track was still wet. It was a bit of challenge, but we managed. The first 2-3 cars, it was a bit of a challenge, but we managed to pull through. And then the second heat, again, now we were getting to understand the track again. It was also okay. The third one, I think I did my best. And then the fourth one is now this one, the double track, which it has gone on well. So far, so good.
I'm very happy. I got to be pushed to my limits, but it's good. It was a good event with ladies out there racing. Yeah, it was fun. You get your butterflies and your nerves all up. So it was good to actually go side by side, which we didn't do. We should have, but yeah, it was good, exciting.
Ah.